September 28th through October 2nd. Couple of class announcements. First thing, please complete your work in the order that it is assigned. Remember, one thing leads to another. You do not want to take your selection test and you have not read the text and you have not done the assignments that help you build understanding about the goals that are involved. Next up, quarter one is ending soon. Please make up all missing assignments. I need those submitted this week, please. Remember to send me an email once you submit a makeup assignment so I know that I need to go back and check it. I would also like to announce our Autumn Attendance Challenge. This challenge will go from September 28th through October 29th. For the Autumn Attendance Challenge, the class with the highest percentage of attendance in their synchronous classes wins. In order to be counted, you must be on time, you must stay until I dismiss the class, and you must have your camera on and participate. If there is a reason why your camera is not on, such as it is broken, please inform me before class starts. The winning class earns a free 100 for a test grade. Let's look at our module for this week. When you log into Canvas, keep in mind we have this daily attendance link that is there for you every day. As soon as you enter the module, you can go head on and take your attendance. You also have your live lesson link. I did switch back to Google Meets for this week because we were having so many issues with students not being able to enter the class from WebEx, and I want to make sure all students can join. I did ask you guys to double check these announcements at least once per day, maybe once when you enter the module and once before you're done for the day. And we have our module for this week. So our module for this week is September 28th through October 2nd. We have some module resources here for you. The module resources are not a grade. It is just information or material to help you. So the first up is that daily attendance link. I decided to plug it into the module, thinking that might be convenient for some of you. The next resource you have is your weekly assignment checklist. So we have a couple of reminders here, and we have your assignment checklist. I did add the assignment location this week. We do have a variety of websites we use for ELA, so I decided it might help you if I put an assignment location for you. I do want to talk real quick about the 3 main websites you need to check for ELA class. So the first website is Canvas. Canvas will have your module for the week with all your work. If you need to do work on any other website, you will have some type of direction or link there telling you to go to that website. So if you want to make sure you're not missing any work, go to Canvas and just read through the module. All right, the next website is our online textbook. That is where you will find your text for the week of an hour with Abuelo, and you will find your selection test for this week. The third website is Powerschool. Powerschool will have all of your official grades for ELA, meaning if they were to print a report card, that will be the grade going home. So you want to make sure you are aware of what your grade is in Powerschool for ELA. If you have a missing assignment, you click on that Q1 under Powerschool, and it will tell you the list of assignments that are making up your grade in ELA. If you have a 0 with an orange missing flag, that means you did not turn in that assignment. Please make arrangements to do so. All right, I did post the leveled text for this week. This is not the full text. Do not use this text when you are taking your selection test as your reference. Use the text on the online textbook. But I did post this because it does break down the short story a little bit, and you may need that support. So if you need that support, here it is. The next support I added is this visual aid. I know that some students definitely do better with some type of visual. So we have a little comic strip breaking down the story for you. That is there for you. You don't have to do anything with it. It is just a resource you could look at. Finally, moving on to our work for Monday. Monday, September 28th. Again, our weekly text is An Hour with Abuelo. Our learning goal for today is I can determine the type of irony. We're going to take this basic skill of determining the type of irony, and we're going to build that up throughout the week to goal 7.4. I can analyze the impact of irony in a specific line or section of a literary work. Our daily agenda for today, you have 3 main things you need to accomplish in ELA class today. The first is completing your daily attendance form. Check in, let me know that you were engaged in learning activities. Number 2 is your daily reading practice. This is new this week. And number 3 is completing the Nearpod relating to irony. You can click next, or if you didn't take your attendance, you may need to go back out to modules, take that daily attendance, and then come back down. So every activity from Monday is listed under Monday. When you get to Tuesday, you can stop for the day because it is not Tuesday. All right, daily reading practice. As of right now, it's locked until midnight tonight. So once it is unlocked, you can go ahead and complete that. It does say the quiz is locked. That is just the type of assignment I had to plug this into. This will count as a classwork grade. Next up, you have the Nearpod based on irony. In the Nearpod, it's going to direct you to put your name in. Please make sure you put your first and your last name into the Nearpod to ensure that you receive credit. If you put a nickname, I might not know who that is. You click on the link to the Nearpod. Once you're in here, it says your name. You can delete your name and you can type your name. Under optional name, you can put your class, and then you just click join lesson. Once you join the lesson, you just work your way through the lesson. Anywhere where they have an activity, you stop, you complete the activity. We have our learning goal. We have our do now activity. So just work your way through the module. Keep in mind when you get to the quiz portion, that will count as an exit ticket grade for a classwork assignment. Once you are finished with that Nearpod, you are done for Monday. So we just want to double check our weekly assignment checklist. It says Monday through Thursday, daily reading practice. We should have done that. It says Monday, Nearpod on irony. We should have done that. Then we're on Tuesday, and it is not Tuesday, so we can stop here. I do want to take a second to walk you through how to get to the online textbook. We will be doing our assignments for this week in the textbook. We'll be doing one of them tomorrow. But a lot of you have old assignments in the online textbook. So let's talk about how to get there in case you forgot. So we're going to start at that Cumberland County homepage, ccs.k12.nc.us. From there, you scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen to this home-based login. Keep in mind, if you forgot your password, your teacher can reset that for you. Once you log into home-based login, you click on EasyBridge. Once you are on EasyBridge, you go ahead and click this Realize tab on the right-hand side of your screen. That's going to take you to a screen that looks like this with a green, orange, and blue circle. You're going to find your assignments under this middle orange circle. Here's our text and our selection test for this week. So notice no one's done them yet because they're not due yet. But if you have any of these old assignments that are not dealing with an hour with Abuelo, then please complete those and submit those and send me an email. Keep in mind you have 3 tabs. I have 2. So mine say assignments by class, assignments by student. Your tabs say not started, in progress, and completed. Every single assignment except for an hour with Abuelo student edition and an hour with Abuelo selection test should be in the completed tab at this point. I hope you have a fantastic day and a fantastic week. Keep in mind our autumn attendance challenge. You want to make sure you're in class. All right, see you in class.